Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to remove a repost on TikTok. Reposting TikTok is sharing content that has already been posted by another user. To remove a repost on TikTok, first open your TikTok application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now select a specific TikTok that you want to repost. Then tap on the share icon on the right side. Then tap on repost option. With that, your TikTok will be reposted. Now to remove the repost in TikTok, tap on the profile icon on down right corner. Then tap on repost icon down at bio. With that, here you can see the video that you have reposted. Tap on the reposted video. Then again tap on the share icon at the right side. With that, here you can see the option of remove repost. Tap on remove repost. With that, your repost will be removed on TikTok. As you can see here, my reposted video has been removed. This is how we can remove a repost on TikTok. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.